Today I'm going to be cooking some tri-tip. I'm going to start by smoking it, see if that makes it taste any better. As the first step, which is to put it in on the toaster oven, which is close to the heating elements on high heat, to blacken or char or burn the surface of it before I wrap it. So that's what you see me doing here, is just flipping it over. So it's about 30 minutes on one side, flip it over, 30 minutes on the other side. So it's on smoke for about an hour to get some smoke flavor along with that Santa Maria flavor of the seasoning. Just an idea. Figured I'd try it out, see how it goes. So here I go, taking it inside to burn the surface of it. I just love the burnt surface taste of the tri-tip. While the flavor of the tri-tip came out great, I don't think I would do this again. It wasn't as tender as I like my tri-tip. So if I were to do it again, I would probably leave it on the smoke longer and check the temperature of it while it's on the smoke and just skip the step of char. Whereas I normally char the surface first when it's room temperature to cold, and then I don't cook it very much when I'm charring the surface. It just hits the surface. I think by starting out by smoking it, it warmed up the meat, and then the second step of charring it started to cook it too fast. And I think that's why it didn't come out as tender.